Hi guys! Another day, another vlog. So today, isasama ko po kayo sa last two dance workshop namin. Let's go! So kaya dapat full force tayo ngayon guys. Kaya drive-thru po muna tayo guys sa Jollibee, Pampagana.
Matibay siguro yung headset ko lang yan.
Andito na tayo guys. Ang aga namin lagi, in fairness. But of course, lagi akong looking forward for the dance rehearsal. Excited yarn? Dahil kami na una, may time kaming kumain muna. Hello, eto na, ready na. Almost 2 hours din to guys, kaya see you next time, baka mainip kayo. Thank you for watching.